Have you ever felt stuck as a leader, unsure how to grow while others seem to thrive? Today, we'll unlock the secret through the power of reflection, a tool used by the best leaders to make better decisions, build stronger teams, and fuel personal and professional growth. Stick around to discover 3 practical steps that transform reflection into your most powerful asset. We have choices to make every day, whether or not we're going to be the best of who we are, or we're just going to settle for less. Great leaders never settle for less. They never stop investing in themselves and others because that's what life is about. I'm Michael B. Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, High Performance is a leadership and culture consulting company that helps leaders lead fulfilled and impactful lives. Here, you'll find our monthly leadership action step videos, our Leadership Edge conversation series, and more transformative teaching content designed to equip you with the strategies to think, behave, and communicate like a leader. If you're ready to grow as a leader, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever we post new content. Now, on to the power of reflection. Reflection is often misunderstood as a passive exercise, but it's one of the most powerful tools a leader can use to drive clarity, sustain growth, and increase emotional intelligence. Let's explore how you can leverage reflection in 3 practical ways to think, behave, and communicate like a leader. Number 1, think. Before diving into the emotions tied to your experiences, start with the facts. Ask yourself, what happened this year? What were the outcomes? Strip away the emotional noise and analyze your performance like a coach reviewing game footage. This logical reflection helps uncover patterns and blind spots. Number 2, behave. Reflection often stirs up guilt, frustration, or judgment. While these emotions are natural, they aren't sustainable. Instead, validate what you're feeling and consciously replace negative energy with gratitude, hope, or excitement. These elevated emotions create the momentum you need to move forward effectively. Number 3, communicate. Use the insights gained from your reflection to define actionable goals that align with your values and aspirations. Break them into manageable steps and share them with your team or a trusted partner to create accountability and shared purpose. When you reflect with intention, you don't just learn from the past, you shape a future defined by purpose, growth, and impact. Remember, think logically before reflecting emotionally. Replace negative emotions with elevated emotions. Set intentional, actionable goals. Reflection is not about regretting the past, it's about preparing for the future. I'm Michael B. Ross, and I invite you to be intentional, be exceptional, and lead. Coming in spring 2025, we're launching the High Performance Membership Site, a game-changing platform with exclusive tools, resources, and connections to help you lead with impact. I'd also like to share my new book, The Leadership Edge. If you like what you've seen in the leadership action steps each month, this book contains all of that and much, much more. If you'd like more information on where to purchase your copy, or if you'd like to purchase bulk copies, please reach out to us at highperformancehbk.com. If you like what you've seen on this video, I'd like to point you to the Leadership Edge conversation series here, and I'd also invite you to subscribe here.